these lovely views while we eat. This is the Bali culture. It's a vitamin C, look at the colour of it. Green booster.
How's the breakfast? Everything so far?
It's really good, thank you.
That's what we want money to but
Thank you. It's hot. Like my hat.
Yeah.
My local.
Aha.
The taxis keep beeping at us. They're like, why are these beautiful women walking? That's it.
no more?
Damn, that's crunchy. Don't mind.
Give me that.
This is the only cola I'll ever drink. So nice.
Come back.
Thank you.
Sorry, what?
No,
Raining?
it's okay.
We like it. It was too hot this morning.
Yeah, we were very hot. Is it good? Yeah. That face tells me everything I need to know. You like it?
Give me that.
I knew it. Mutual bun me. What did you say?
10 out of 10.
10/10 for Tanaman.
Jamu class is one of our activity in our desa. Turmeric, correct. Next one we have the last one we have. Any idea what this?
I don't know.
Will give you to smell it first. This we call aromatic ginger in English, but in our bahasa Indonesia we call kencur.
Tastes like floral, like
Yes, it's more floral, little bit citrus also. At least you try it and you know the taste of the each of the ingredient of the jamu before we make it. But we must be know how we make it. Yes. Okay. Cocktail.
60 mils of
Coconut water.
30 mils of, what's this? Turmeric extract. 15 mil of ginger extract. 5 mil of palm sugar.
You can stir, yeah, with your lemongrass.
what's the name of this one?
It's a balance.
Balance.
Balance your life. You can compare with the first one and the second one. Which the jamu you like it, yeah? Alright,
Yeah, that one's more sour.
We've got Lumpia, which is like, I guess, fried spring roll. Fried spring roll, but like cut up.
the sauce, and yeah, really tasty. The chilies are hot. No, it's good. And like 2 of them was 40,000. What we tipped the lady. Everything here is good.